Good morning, everyone. So in this video we will be talking about VAT. Yes, the UK VAT. I get a lot of requests about talking about VAT. I'm not an accountant again, so you should talk to a specialist, an accountant, and not me, but I can give you from my personal advice, my personal experience. I will give you my tips. Okay, so basically, what is VAT? VAT, it is like sales tax in America. Okay, it's the same thing, but in the United States it is different between states, the percentage of the taxes. But in the UK, in Europe, okay, there is a fixed amount that it is 20% VAT that you owe to the government. Okay, and let me explain you quickly the difference for VAT for UK residents and non-UK residents. Okay, I'm international seller. I'm not living in the UK. I don't have nationality of UK, so it goes like that. If you live in the UK, okay, if you live in the UK, you can open a business in the United Kingdom, and you can start selling on eBay or wherever you want without paying VAT until you get to 85,000 in sales, in revenue. Okay, not profit, in revenue per year. Okay, if you are doing dropshipping like me, that I reached to 85,000 after maybe 3 months, something like that. So you will have to register for VAT very fast. And the people that are non-UK residents, okay, they have to register for VAT before they start selling in Europe. Okay, if it is in the UK, so in the UK. If it is in Germany, it is in Germany. But I found a glitch, okay, for the international sellers. Okay, I know that there's a lot of people that are outside the UK and want to start dropshipping in the UK. If you will just go ahead and register for your eBay account in the UK without having VAT number, eBay just will remove your listings and you will not be able to sell on the UK. But as I said, guys, I always try to give you good content and from my personal experience, and I had to start selling on eBay UK without waiting 2-3 months to have my VAT number. So I searched through the internet. I went to the government, UK government website, and I found out that you can, as an international citizen, wherever you are living, you can go ahead and open a UK limited company. Okay, and if you have a limited company in the UK, you can go ahead and you get the benefits, the same benefits that the UK residents have, the 85,000 threshold per year. So this is fantastic, okay, because you will get more profit for your 85,000 first sales, because you will not have to charge VAT and not pay VAT for the government. So it is more profit to your pocket, and you can start straight away, because setting up a limited company, okay, it is super quick. You can do it, you can register today and have your company set up by tomorrow. Okay, so for me as an Israeli citizen, okay, I live in Israel. The taxes here are insane. Okay, like if you own a business and you really are making money, you can pay to the government like something around 60-70% from your profit. Okay, and is insane. Okay, it's like the government taking all of my money. So for me, having also a UK limited company, I will pay much less taxes, okay, for my profit. It is something I think around 19 percent from my profits that I need to pay per year, and this is a huge save for me. Okay. If you want to know how to set up a limited company, I have on my channel a detailed video that I show how to set up the company. You also can get a promo code from me, 10% off. If you want to use it, use it. If you don't want to use it, just go ahead and look the company online and register through there. And also about UK business bank account. This is the tricky part. Okay, if you want to set up a UK business bank account, it is the most hardest part, having a UK limited company. Also, this information also I have on my channel. Okay, you can go ahead and search it. I explain all of that. I explain more in detail about how to set up a UK limited company and everything about starting selling as a UK limited company. And believe me, this is more beneficial for you. Okay, because the UK government really wants more businesses to open in the UK, so the taxes and all those things are much easier and lower than from my country. I guess more countries in the world. Yeah, so basically, what is VAT? VAT is that when you need to be registered already for VAT, you need to charge 20% from your buyers. Okay, this is the UK VAT. You need to charge 20% from your buyers, and but when you are purchasing from Amazon, okay, you can go ahead and, for example, when you're going to an item on Amazon, there's the seller name. Okay, sometimes you can see that a VAT invoice downloadable. Okay, you can see it written in Amazon if you have Amazon business account, but you can go ahead and just click the name of the seller. Okay, and you can see that if he is registered for VAT, it means that you pay VAT for his item that you purchase. So it means you pay 20% for the item from the item's price, and you need to charge 20% from your price. Okay, so what it means that the 20% that you took from your buyer, okay, minus the 20% that you already paid to Amazon or what supplier you are using in the UK or in Europe, and the difference between that you need to pay to the government. You understand? 20% from your sale price minus 20% from your purchase price. Okay, this amount you will pay for the government. Yeah, basically that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you, and leave the comments below what you want me to talk about next. If it helped you, please leave this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, because I'm really trying to give the best content about dropshipping on 2018-19. So consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one, guys.